Hi, we are kicking off the month of May, Sexual Violence Awareness Month, with a series focusing on debunking commonly believed myths and stereotypes when it comes to sexual violence and sexual abuse. So today's myth that we are going to be discussing is sexual violence is rare, or sexual assault is rare. So it is commonly believed that this type of crime doesn't happen. So we know this to be untrue, as the statistics really showcase how prevalent sexual assault is within our community, within our province, and within our country. So for example, a recent study found that 45% of Albertans have experienced some form of sexual violence. When we break down the statistics a little bit more, it means that 2 in 3 women and 1 in 3 males have experienced some form of sexual violence before the age of 18. These statistics can be staggering, and they show how common this type of crime actually is. So when we do hear that sexual violence doesn't happen in our communities or in my neighborhood, we want to take a little bit of a look at these numbers and understand that sexual violence can happen to anyone, by anyone, anywhere. So I understand that this can leave us feeling a little bit hopeless or worried about what could potentially happen. So just know that the more that this is talked about, the more that we understand the prevalence rates of sexual violence, it actually increases our capacity to help, support, and seek out services when and if we need it. So this is our first edition of our myth series and debunking some of these heavily believed and ingrained systems that we hold. So stay tuned every Tuesday from now until the end of August to learn more about some myths and stereotypes and the facts surrounding sexual violence. Take care.